Hey guys, James here again from JMP Woodcrafting, and today I just wanted to share with you one of my favorite tools and one of my first tools that I ever made myself. Check it out. Alright, so one of the most important things that we use in our wood shop is hammers and mallets. We use them for different things, but we need all kinds of different mallets. This is a joiner's mallet. You've probably seen these all over YouTube. There's probably a million videos that are much better than this one, and I made this one before I started recording. This is the very first tool I ever made for myself. Right now I've just got a pine dowel in there. I'm probably going to get an oak dowel that I'm going to use for the handle later on, and I'm probably going to remake this. There's some things I don't like about it, but it's a nice big heavy mallet. This is what I'm using for all of my chisel work. I also use it for putting together pieces, and it's a nice softer blow. It's a great way. It's got some good heavy heft. This is a white oak piece of firewood, and I actually took that hint from watching Wood by Wright and watching James Wright. So I started making some of my own tools. I've got some videos I'm going to be making as I make some more tools. I'm going to make a set of winding sticks, and I just got my first hand plane, and so I got to make some winding sticks so I can dimension boards and cool stuff. But this is my joiner's mallet. Now, I went intentionally with a deeper bevel on one end than on the other so I could kind of test it out, because I kind of had a feeling that this was just going to be a prototype. But this piece of firewood, the problem with using firewood is this right here. If you look, there's all these cracks and checks all throughout this mallet. And I could go in with some epoxy and fill those in, but there's so many of them, I would basically have to just epoxy the whole thing. So I decided I'm probably going to just make another one and find a better piece of wood. But it's a good starter piece, and it's one that honestly, even as bad a shape as it is, it's something that I could probably use for years before I had to replace it.